Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, June the 10th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the binary, and it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know, but we will see. But it will be a number 4683. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 10 printed digits. Well, the 4 stars Tectonic, if it's really a hard one, it has 8, 9, or 10, sometimes 11 printed digits. This one has 10, so it should be a hard one. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? I see a couple of dual boxes. Here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2 because we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Here another dual box. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes, the 1 and the 2. Here also, I do not know in which order. So the 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. Here again, 1 and 2. 4 dual boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me scan. Oh, I forgot this one. Also a dual box. 1 and the 2. Triple boxes, okay, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Quadra boxes. Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have the L shape here. Remember, if you see the L shape, remember this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Of course, here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, those are the L shapes. Then the following shape, the T shape, upside down, the T shape. Let me draw this here. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. More of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only 1. Yeah, this box has the same number as that box. And the last figure or shape or construction, whatever you name it, this one. The one is here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. This box is the same number as that box. And we have only one of this kind of shape, I believe. Yes. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6, maximum 6, I believe. Here the Z or the S construction is missing. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 number is missing in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area should be the 1 and the 2 as a pair. 1 and a 2, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1. It goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 5, and cannot be a 3. Why can this not be a 3? Because if this is a 3, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it cannot be 3, so it must be the 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 2 there, so that means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes can be a 2. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L shape area should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. Okay, so these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Then, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means, wait. Let me think. Alright, okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also the 2 and the 1. The other pair in this L-shaped area should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. Okay. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, but also this box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So the 2 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 1, 2 and the 1. The other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay, then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 5. These 2. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here. This box I've marked with 1 or a 5. It can't be a 1 anymore, so this box should be a 5. And it's connected with that box should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Final number in this L-shaped area for the number 2. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. This is rather a 2 stars. Although it has 10 printed digits. But we solve it again. We solve it again. Alright. I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplets, the killer Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Bye-bye for now.